In this video, we're going to show you how to do the rear shock absorbers in a 2002 Ford Ranger. The process should be the same in an 01 to an 11 Ford Ranger. So we're going to get rolling on this. We'll show you what's involved with changing out the rear shocks.
All right, so we got an 18 millimeter shallow and a 15 wrench for the bottom part of the shock. We're going to take that off now. Might as well do the other side now too. And it's looking pretty rusty, so I'm not comfortable putting a impact gun on it, so we're going to try and see if we can crack it loose with the breaker bar maybe and see what happens.
So you want to support the rear end too with the stands before you take the bolts out, so the rear end doesn't drop down. What are we using, an 18 millimeter socket?
Yep, I'm going to see if it cracks loose.
Moving.
It's like a Christmas miracle.
We threw some penetrating oil on them. So add some penetrating oil, throw some on the nuts, and it should come free a little easier.
You just have to be careful on these older trucks. Sometimes the shock mount will rot off of the frame.
Yeah.
If you get in there with a gun without trying it first, you break it right off. Okay, should be able to pull the shock out. Alright, start off. Okay. We got our new shocks, and we're going to never seize up the bolts and the studs. Alright, so we never seized up the stud, the shock, and the bolt, and the nut. So we're just going to slide this thing on from the top. Line this up. From the inside. Nut right here. Still got the nut on the socket. The top one. We'll put that one up there and start it by hand. And we'll run that up with the gun just to snug it up. That's all we need there. .15 wrench, 18 millimeter for the bottom. That's all we need for that one. This one here on the driver's side rear, it's a little more difficult. Tony's going to come around this side and show you. We have the emission canister there, and we have to get the 18 millimeter bolt off from up here. We're hoping our ratchet fits in there. If not, I have a gear wrench. So we're going to see what we can get in there. Crack it loose with the breaker bar first. looking loose. Very nice. All right, let's see what we can get in here. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, I got a flex head ratchet with an 18 millimeter shallow 12 point on there. And it's coming off pretty nice. For an 02, so far, I don't want to jinx myself, but everything has come off pretty good. Now we've used a good amount of penetrating oil to make sure that helped. But you won't be able to get a deep socket in here. Possibly could get an air ratchet in there. All right, there's that. I think I'm gonna get a pry bar and help us out a little with this one. Alrighty. All right, let's clean up our bolts and never sees that. We should be good. All right.
We'll never sees on that.
Yeah, we did wide wheel the bolt, so let's grab the shock, throw it on. Okay, and then our 15 came from the inside. Is that right? Yeah.
Yep.
No. Because I can't put the, yeah, I can put the gun on from that side. Yeah. There's our 18. it. Wipe them down clean. And the shocks are all.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.